one is going to come and defend our country except ourselves. A loud and clear no to corruption by whomsoever.
Mnangagwa rolls out Chinese armored vehicles amid tensions with Chiwenga. The 28th of August 2025, by ZimLive reporter, Harare, nearly 24 newly acquired Chinese armored vehicles have been spotted moving in convoy across Harare, raising questions over their timing as President Emmerson Mnangagwa faces growing tensions with Vice President Constantino Chiwenga. Footage shared by presidential spokesman George Charamba showed the imposing hardware, a mix of Norinco PTL-02 wheeled assault guns and WZ-551 armored personnel carriers, moving through the capital earlier this week. The vehicles, part of a reported $28 million military aid package from Beijing delivered in December 2023, had not been publicly seen in operation until now. Their sudden deployment is being interpreted by some as a calculated show of strength. Charamba, writing on X, defended the display. Zimbabwe continues to upgrade its defense capabilities to deter would-be aggressors. Weakness tempts. Military analysts, however, believe the convoy was not a fresh delivery, but the same 2023 batch being shifted from storage to operational bases, possibly after crew training and integration. Still, the optics are politically charged. Analysts say rolling out new armor at this moment could be meant to reassert Mnangagwa's authority in the face of speculation about a power struggle with Chiwenga, his former army chief and rumored successor. If the ZDF is suddenly parading assault guns and APCs that have been in depots since last year, it can easily be read as a signal, not just to foreign enemies, but to internal rivals too. One Harare-based security analyst said, the PTL-02 assault gun, mounted on a WZ-551 6x6 chassis, provides mobile firepower equivalent to a light tank, capable of firing shells and laser-guided missiles up to 5 kilometers. Alongside troop carriers, command units, recovery trucks, and ambulances, the package is seen as the most significant armor upgrade to Zimbabwe's army in decades. Zimbabwe's army has long relied on aging Brazilian Cascavel armored cars, many of which are now obsolete. The Chinese deal underscores Harare's deepening defense ties with Beijing. Whether this was simply a movement of vehicles between bases or a deliberate show of power, the message from State House appeared clear. Mnangagwa is tightening his grip.